Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, that is more on MS Paint. First of all, what is Paint? Paint is a program used to draw and color the pictures. The first topic of this chapter is copying and moving objects. MS Paint lets you move, crop, resize or skew objects in your drawing. Before performing these tasks, you need to select the area you want to work on. MS Paint allows you to select the area using the Select tool. There are two types of Select tools, the Rectangle Selection and the Freeform Selection tool. The rectangular selection allows you to select an area in a square or rectangle shape, whereas freeform selection tool is used to select an area in any shape. Now, how to select using the rectangular selection? We are following these steps. First of all, go to the Home tab. From the image group, click the arrow under the Select icon. From the Selection Shapes option, click Rectangular Selection. Then move the cursor to the drawing area. You can see the cursor changes to the plus sign. Click and drag to the select a picture or a part of it. Now release the button. Now observe the changes. Now how to select using the freeform selection? First step for this is on the Home tab from the image group, click the arrow under the select icon. A drop down list expands. Now from the selection shape option, click freeform selection. Move the cursor to the drawing area. Now click and drag around the area you want to select. In the end, release the mouse and you can see a blue dotted border appear around the selected area. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is copying an object. Sometimes you need to draw the same object more than once in a picture. For example, to draw a garden, you need to draw many flowers, or if you want to draw the night sky, you need to draw many stars. You can use the copy option to create copies of an object that can be placed anywhere on the drawing area. Now, how to copy an object? Again, we have to follow these steps. First of all, open the image that contains the object you want to copy. Now, in the next step, select the object you want to copy using the rectangular or freeform selection tool. The mouse pointer changes to a move cursor. Now, from the Home tab, from the clipboard group, click the copy icon. Again, from the Home tab in the clipboard group, click the paste icon. Like that, you can paste the object from one location to another. You can also make multiple copies of these selected part and move them to the desired location. Now we will move to our next topic, that is moving an object. You can also move an object from one location to another in your drawing in MS Paint. You can move an object using the cut and paste option. Now to move an object, first of all we have to follow these steps. Open the image that contains the object you want to copy. Now select the object using the rectangular or freeform selection tool. On the Home tab, from the clipboard, click the cut icon. Now from the Home tab, in the clipboard group, click the paste icon. Click the object and drag it to the desired location on the drawing area and observe the change. Like that, you can easily move an object from one location to another. It will be more clear when you will do the practical practice. Thank you.